Welcome all of you to the fourth tutorial video of MERASALON business app. In this video, we will learn how to do online billing. For this, you have to click on the billing section. As soon as we click here, this screen will appear in front of us. Here first of all you will add your client's mobile number. After that his name. Now we will come here. The service availed by the client will be searched and selected here. After that, we will select which staff has done this service. There is an ad written here, select it and add it. Similarly, you can add multiple services one by one. As soon as you add the service, the price comes automatically. You can also change the price manually. Here we are shown the total bill amount. Now fill in the details according to which you receive payment. Like the discount you have given here, the amount received in cash, as much as I found online. You fill the details here. After that, done it. A billing message will reach your client. Now next time he comes again, this time we just have to add his mobile number, his name, and if there is any previous outstanding, that will also be shown below. The total amount to be taken with this billing is shown here by combining the previous dues and the total of this bill. In the next video, we will learn how to see client details. Thanks for staying connected with us.